I have no crowns to offer you, no victories to lay at your feet. Only this, a song scattered across the stars, and every note of it still finding its way back to you. This is the poem, a song across the stars for Mayong Soon. If this tale stirred something in you, a memory, a dream, or a truth, our Ko-fi, Amazon, and Patreon links are in the description. Support helps us keep writing for you and the ones you hold dear. Before the first light learns its name, I speak of you, not as a victor, not as a fallen man, but as one who kept his hands empty so they would be ready when you arrived. I have not worn crowns carved from borrowed glory, nor dragged chains of ruin through my days. The world passed me like a quiet river, and they chose to listen instead of conquer. There are no banners stitched with my triumphs, no echoes of applause clinging to my skin, only the hush of mornings like this one, where your name becomes my only inheritance. If I offer you anything, it is not gold nor the illusion of a man who has won, but a song, trembling and unfinished, waiting for your breath to complete it. A song strewn across the sea of shimmering stars, each note a flicker against the endless dark, like diamonds scattered on a raven gown that the night itself wears for you. I have wandered the long corridors of silence, counting constellations like quiet prayers, and every distant light has whispered of a love that refuses to dim. In the far arithmetic of galaxies unnumbered, where even time forgets its own rhythm, I hear the cosmos bend toward your name, a soft gravity I cannot escape. Even there, where distances lose their meaning, where light arrives like a memory of itself, the stars will still speak of you as if you are the beginning of their fire. They sing of reunion like a promise kept, of hands meeting beyond the span of years, and of hunger not as absence, but as proof that something sacred still calls us home. And the eyes suspended in the vastness feel your absence not as emptiness, but as a thread pulled taut across creation, a line that binds me back to you. What are the light years to a heart that remembers? What are planets but silent witnesses to a love that refuses to measure itself by the limits of distance or time? I have seen stars collapse into themselves, their brilliance folding into quiet endings. Yet even in their dying breath, they speak of something that does not end. It is you, not as a thought nor a dream fading, but as a presence that endures beyond the language of the universe. When I walk beneath ordinary skies, where the sun spills gold through waking trees, I still feel the same infinite pull, your love threading through the morning air. The wind carries it like a secret hymn, soft against the skin of my waiting. And even the smallest light on the horizon leans toward you as if it knows. I have learned to wait without despair, to stand at the threshold of days without demanding they open too soon. Because love is not hurried by longing. It moves like rivers beneath the earth, unseen yet certain in their direction, carving paths through stone and silence until they find the sea again. And I will follow that quiet certainty through nights dressed in their raven silk, through mornings that tremble into being, until your voice becomes my horizon. For what I offer is not perfection, nor the safety of a finished story, but this, a devotion that has chosen you again and again. a song that refuses to end in solitude, that stretches beyond the reach of endings, that gathers the starlight in its hands just to lay it gently at your feet. If I have nothing else, then let it be this: that in every sky that I have ever known, and in every silence I have ever kept, it was always been you I was singing toward. And when the distance finally forgets us, when time loosens its careful grip, I will not arrive as a stranger to your touch, but as a song that always knew your name. Each day, I write and create for my beloved Yongsun, the son who lights up my every verse, every tale, every quiet thought I dare to share. If her warmth reached you through these words, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep stories that shine.